Hello, welcome to episode number 25 of making the calorie counter application. So if you are new on this series, we are making a calorie counter application, and I just run it on my cell phone. It's really cool. What we have done so far is that we have created a menu. I'll just see that I get everything. Yeah, so we have created a menu where you can pick categories and you can go to food. And last episode we went to create the edit food code, and in this episode I was thinking we could make a delete food, and after delete food I was thinking maybe we could create new food. So this is just the startup of the application, so you have to fill in your information here, pick your date of birth, so height and weight, how much you exercise, and then you can sign up what you want to lose weight. Okay, so last episode we were editing food and we made everything work. So this episode I was thinking we could make the delete button. So just want to inform you that on my website netport.com you can get, if you go to programming and Android, you will find all of the code for all of the different episodes here. And I have also a community. Just install the Simple Machines forum, so you can create a topic and just ask me anything. So let's get started. So what I wanted to do first is to just create a new view for our food delete. So new layout resource file, fragment food delete, and we just want a text here. We have actually made this one for categories already. Are you sure you want to delete? Cancel, and yes. So we'll just copy that code, the fragment food delete, and we call it button cancel, button confirm delete, and text view delete message. So are you sure you want to delete? Cancel, and yes. Okay, let's go to our food fragment, and we have to locate the menu. So it has a set options menu inside on activity created, and on create options menu here we find the menu item delete, and we have something called options item selected, and here we can put in on menu action food delete food. So we'll create a new method for delete food. So let's just scroll all the way down, and here we find some space. So I'll make a public void delete food. Just make a comment that we are in delete food now, just to keep the code clean. Okay, so let's just check on our code for edit food or view food or something. Edit food, so we'll just copy the code for edit food, just put it in our notepad so we can use most of the code again. Okay, so for public void delete food, the first thing I want to do is change the layout. fragment food delete. So already now we have actually made completely new design. Food, blah blah blah, delete, and we are on this page now. I usually want to delete. So next thing we want to do is just to that we want to put on a listener on the buttons. So we have two buttons here. The first one is button categories cancel. So put in a button on it and a listener on it. The next one is the confirm delete. So we have delete food cancel, and we have delete food confirm delete. Oh, it's named categories, and so we should change the name. Button confirm delete. This one is button cancel. So this one was button confirm delete. Let's make it as simple as possible. So now we have to make these methods. So let's make the cancel one first. Public void delete food cancel, and then public void delete food confirm delete. So if you go to cancel, I was thinking that then you will actually just go to view food. Isn't that correct? So I think we have like a method for it already. Edit food. List item clicked. Yes, I think list item clicked is the one that is view food. Just have to think a bit. Doesn't look like we are actually changing some designs here. Yeah, here we are changing the layout. Yeah, so okay, so our view food is list item clicked. So let's go down here to our public delete food cancel. So let's just run list item clicked. Then we have to have a list item ID clicked. So I think we have a list cursor, yes. Get position or something, get text or get int at 0. So let's try it. Yeah. Cannot find these two, so we have just to then find them. Button confirm. Confirm delete. Okay, food, tortilla, delete, cancel. Okay, you came to something different. Speltlompe. So we have our list person. So let me just see what we did in the categories. So if you want this and you want to delete it and press cancel, you just came to the main menu again. But I want to come to this site. So let's go for list cursor. Yeah, so the only way to do this is to actually make a yeah, we have it here, current ID. So, oh, I'm in the wrong one. Food. So we'll just convert the current ID into an integer. Int current ID equals to 0. So try. Int current ID equals to integer parse int current ID catch. So let's try to send it to the current ID. Catch number X format exception E. Food. Okay, let's delete tortilla. No, cancel. Stopped working. Okay. So we have to go to our view class. Populate list. List item clicked. Current ID equals list cursor get string 0. So this is the current ID. So we should be able to use that one. So it was strange that it took us to the wrong place. This cursor that item, oh, what was the code? List get string 0. So integer parse int. This one, it will make it parse to an integer, the string to an integer, and then we try to use it. Food, tortillas, delete, cancel. Did not work. So don't think we'll go for the current ID. Yeah, because I think that this is an impossible way to do it. I think we just go to the main screen instead. Much easier. So let's go to category fragment, and we have delete category. And on console we just moved the user back, so we will do the same. We will go for food fragment. We'll move to food fragment of class. Food, delete console, yeah, and then we're at the main screen again. Yeah, much easier. So fragment manager equals get activity, get support fragment manager dot begin transaction dot replace our ID file content equals new food fragment dot class get name dot commit. So here you have everything. Okay, let's just make a comment here. Delete food console, and then we have delete food confirm delete. Let's see how we did it in categories here. So we just did it like this, so we just copy the code. And we just change here categories to food deleted, and then just move the user back. So it's really cool when you have written the code already, and you can just reuse it. So this should work. Tortillas, don't want it. And it's gone. I don't want tortillas, and it's gone. Don't want this jam, and it's gone. Broccoli, don't like it, delete, gone. Okay, now we only need to make a new button. So here on the menu action food add, we'll make add food, and of course we need to make that code. And the add food is almost the same as edit food, so just copy edit food. And we'll make new methods for it. Public void add food. Just make a comment here. We are in add food now. Okay, so the first thing we should do is change layout. And we can change the title to add food. We don't need to get anything from the database. And we don't need any of these either. Let's just try to run it, and we'll see what we need. Food, add. So we'll just need to fill in a category. main category. So then we need the database. db adapter db equals new db adapter activity db open, then we need to close it, db.close. Spinner fields, what is that? Okay. db cursor count, it's an integer, and we don't need to select anything. We can just remove the select part of it. Let's populate it. So let's go to food, this one, and add. And now we have the main categories. So we need to make one change here, because we need the subcategories of the main category. Main category listener, here it is. So let's just try to run it, just to see if it works or if you have to change anything. Good, and so if we put drinks, yeah, soda, and bread, cold meats. Okay, so it works. Now we just need the submit button listener. Here it is. Button and food submit on click. So we just have to make that public void method. Just make a comment for it also. Button and food submit on click. Okay, so let's go to the edit food submit, and we can just copy all of it. And the only thing we need to change is the update should be insert instead of update. So here it should be insert. And then we don't need ID here. Just need food and values. Insert table string field string values. And the insert looks a bit different. It has the food name plus comma Now if it has a food name like this. So the field should be a string only. And then we have the values, and values should also just be a string. So it equals to this plus comma plus. That's a cool SQL. Okay, and then we of course need the null at the start for the ID. And we need not the food name but ID only. Like this. And at the end we should just quit it like this. So fingers crossed. Food plus. Okay, has stopped working. So let's remove db.insert. Try again. Food plus save has stopped working. Okay, so it's not insert. It's something before insert. Maybe it's this one. I think we just have to remove some of the code and then just try again. So let's remove everything with update. It should be inserted, not update. Let's save. Okay, so it's something before. So let's remove everything up to category. No, to the barcode. Food plus save. Okay, so it's before this also. So let's just remove everything from this method. Food plus save. Okay, no errors, okay. Let's just add one thing at a time. Maybe this is the one. Yeah, DB fields row ID. I think that was the one. Just try to add everything but the parse. Because what are you parsing? So food plus save. Okay, it was not that one. So we just have to go for a few things at a time. So let's open database and look for error. Food plus save. Okay, no error. Let's look for the name. Food plus save. Okay, no error, that's good. Manufacturer. Food plus save. No errors. So next one is description. I check description and barcode. Food plus save. No errors. And here we are closing database. I don't think we should close the database. Maybe that was the error. Food plus save. Yeah, so we found the error. We were closing the database. So the database should be closed at the end, not the middle. So let's try to make a fruit. Blah, blah, blah. Has stopped working. So now I think it's not this one because we're actually not inserting anything. So let's try to remove this part. Just want to remove the place where we write the main category. Changed. So we can annoy it. Okay. So let's try to run the code. Food plus fill in a name, okay. Okay, that worked. So the error is somewhere inside here. and I think it's this one. The long parse int, I don't know why we parsed the long int. So food plus blah 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 blah. Save, change the saved. Okay, cool. Let's look at our table. Food. Yeah, and here it is. Very cool. So let's just remove this 100, 100, 100, 100. I don't know where they were there. So it should be in the fragment food. Edit. At the bottom here, yeah, here it says 100. There should be in text. And the measurement here, it can say I need to think of it. I'll just go to db adapter to see now to db insert. So it should be a drop-down list. It names like gram, package, box, piece. Yeah, let's just leave it. Okay, after we created the food, we just want to go back. Food is created. And move the user back. So I think this will be the last thing we are doing now. Food plus A, B, C, barcode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is a drink, a soda, measurement 180 gram. It's one piece. Energy 1, 2, 3, 4. Save. Oh, I don't remember what we made. R maybe? No, this one. A. Looks really, really cool. Okay, we'll wrap this up. Next episode will be the goal and the profile. And then we actually can just go to home and start creating the cool things.